Hey, Social Cam, what's up? It's your girl, Lady Ashley, and I'm here at the beach.
Come on, I'm going in the water.
You're my daughter. Yeah, I'm here at the beach, and I'm having a great time here in Grenada. I'm telling you, God is good. God is awesome. And I'm here having a great time here at the beach. And I'm about to go in the water real soon. Look at God's creation. You see how God made things? And, you know, when I sit here and I think of his goodness and I think about how he made the lands and the seas, I think of the beach. How blue the water is. It's so gorgeous out here. I can stay out here for like ever. I can stay out here forever, you guys. Anyway, I am going now, and I talk to you guys real soon. I'm on the beach. I'm on the beach. I'm on the beach, on the beach, on the beach. Look at my son and my daughter. Look at them. I can live here forever, you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.